Welcome back to Career Power Hyderabad. So students, let us discuss today's important MCQs. So we'll go into the first MCQ. What is the rank of India on IMD World Competitive Index 2021? So what is the rank of India on the World Competitive Index 2021? And the answer is 43. So the rank of India in IMD World Competitive Index is 43rd rank. So India maintains 43rd rank on the IMD World Competitive Index 2021. So this report is given by the Institute for Management and Development. So it ranks 64 economies and assesses to which extent the country promotes prosperity of its people. So rank 1 is Switzerland, rank 2 Sweden, rank 3 Denmark, and India is at 43, very poor performance. Okay. So next question, which country has topped the IMD World Competitive Index 2021? And you know the answer, it is Switzerland. So Switzerland topped the IMD World Competitive Index 2021. So rank 1 Switzerland, rank 2 Sweden, rank 3 Denmark, and India rank is 43. So please remember. So next, name the digital lending platform recently launched by IndusInd Bank. So name the digital lending platform which is recently launched by the IndusInd Bank. So it is Indus Easy Credit. The answer is Indus Easy Credit. So IndusInd Bank launches a digital lending platform called Indus Easy Credit, where they will provide loans digitally, no need of any paperwork and all. You can avail them on their mobile applications, their websites. So IndusInd Bank headquarters is in Pune and bank is formed in 1994. So next question, Sumant Sinha of ReNew Power, he is the managing director of ReNew Power. He has been recognized as one of the 10 SDG Pioneers 2021. SDG Pioneers 2021. So what is this term called SDG means? What is this term called SDG means? So the answer is, it is Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goals. SDG abbreviation is Sustainable Development Goals. Okay. So the United Nations Global Compact, they have recognized Sumit Sinha as the one of the 10 Sustainable Development Goals, Pioneers 2021, mainly for his work in advancing clean and affordable energy. Okay, so this pioneers, they are generally the business leaders selected by the UN Global Compact for doing exceptional jobs to advance the Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, so this UN Global Compact is a non-binding United Nations pact to encourage business worldwide to adopt sustainable and socially responsible policies. So which is formed in 2000. Okay, so these are some points about the United Nations Global Compact. So next question, a renewed Jammu based Islamic scholar Mufti Faiz ul Wahid. So he recently passed away, Mufti Faiz ul Wahid. So he was the first to translate Quran into which language? He was first to translate Quran into which language? Answer is Gojri language. So he translated Quran first into the Gojri language. So this is about Mufti Faizul Wahid. So Gujari, Gujri, Gojri, these are varieties, other names of Gujari language. So it is a variety of Indo-Aryan language mostly spoken in India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and in India it is mostly spoken in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab and Delhi. So in the northern India, northernmost India, mostly you will find this language speaking people. Okay. So next, which of the following digital solutions company has been recognized as the Global Innovation Partner of the Year by Snowflake? So now Snowflake is a data cloud company. So they recognized a company as their Global Innovation Partner. What is that company? Answer is Lawrence and Turbo Infotech. Answer is Lawrence and Turbo Infotech. So Lawrence and Turbo is a global technological consulting and a digital solutions company. So which was formed in 1996, headquarters in Mumbai. Snowflake is a data cloud company based in Montana, USA, which was formed in 2012. So they recognized LTI as their Global Innovation Partner. So next, which state or union territory has recently launched Jahan Vote Vahan Vaccination Program? Jahan Vote Vahan Vaccination Program. So which state or union territory has recently launched the Jahan Vote or Vahan Vaccination Program? Answer is Delhi. So Delhi's CM Kejriwal, he launched this Jahan Vote Vahan Vaccination Program. So their main aim is to vaccinate all the people above 45 years of age within the next 4 weeks. So Delhi government will vaccinate all the 45 years of above age people in the next 4 weeks. So they are estimating nearly 57 lakh people. So in the next 4 weeks, they are vaccinating all the 57 lakh people. So booth level officers will be present. So they'll go every home, they'll collect the details and they'll give slots to every person. So that vaccination will be done within 4 weeks, and they'll educate people to get vaccinated. They'll explain the benefits of vaccination. So these are the things done by the Delhi government. So Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal. So also remember them. So next question, International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. International Day for Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. Answer is 19th June. So 19th June is the answer. 19th June is observed as the International Day for Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict. The main aim of the day is to put an end to the conflict related sexual violence, honor the victims and survivors of sexual violence around the world. Need to recognize them, need to recognize their struggle. Okay, so that is why we are observing this day called International Day for Elimination for Sexual Violence in Conflict. So next is a legendary person, Milkha Singh. He recently passed away due to COVID-19. His wife also recently passed due to COVID-19. So Milkha Singh belongs to which sport, or Milkha Singh belongs to which category of them? Is he a sprinter, economist, or a filmmaker, or a socialist? So Milkha Singh, you know, Flying Singh. So he is a sprinter. So Milkha Singh Flying Singh is a sprinter. So he is known as Flying Singh. He won 4 Asian Games medals, gold medals, and first Commonwealth Games medal for India. He is honored with Padma Shri, and a movie based on him is Baag Milkha Baag, which was released in 2013. So these are some details about Milkha Singh. So 2021 Land for Life Award has been won by which of the following of Rajasthan? A unique concept that relates a tree with a family, making it a green family member. So 2021 Land for Life Award is awarded to Familial Forestry Organization. Familial Forestry Organization. So this Familial Forestry Organization is run by a climate economist, Sam Sundar. So he campaigned for this familial forestry nearly 15 years in Rajasthan. So these people, they'll in this familial forestry, a tree and the nearby surroundings, environment is adopted by the family members, by a family. So they'll take care as their own family members, like the green family members. So this award, the 2021 Land for Life Award, is given by the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification. So they organize this award for every 2 years, mainly to recognize people who are working towards land restoration, eliminating desertification and drought. So for these people, for these organizations, United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification is providing this award. And the theme for this year is Healthy Land, Healthy Lives. The theme for this year is Healthy Land, Healthy Lives. It is considered as the world's highest reward regards land conservation. So United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification is the only legally binding international agreement between nations. So we need to follow this Convention to Combat Desertification. Okay. So these are the details about this organization, Familial Forestry and UNCCD. So please read about all these things. So next question, name the Ireland all-rounder who announced his retirement from one-day internationals. So name the Ireland all-rounder who announced from one-day internationals. So he is very famous for the World Cup match against England. So he is very beautiful 100 against England. So Ireland all-rounder, answer is Kevin Bryan. So Kevin Bryan is announcing retirement from one-day internationals. So he is all-rounder and the third highest run getter for Ireland. So he is best known for his World Cup 100 against England in 2011 World Cup in Bangalore, which was held in Bangalore. So his 50 ball 100 is the fastest in the World Cup history. So these are all the records on him. So next, Reserve Bank of India has given in principle approval to which of the following to set up a small finance bank and also to take over the PMC Bank, Punjab and Maharashtra Bank. So Reserve Bank of India has given in principle approval to which of the following to set up a small finance bank as well as to take over the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. So answer is Centrum Finance Services Limited. So Centrum Finance Services Limited and its partner Bharat Pay will infuse nearly 1800 crores into the small finance bank. So Reserve Bank of India, it gave permission for the Centrum Finance Services to take over the Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. So also these people, they showed interest of expression of interest. So when Punjab and Maharashtra Bank, when they are trying to sell out their bank, so these people, Centrum, they showed interest in buying this bank. So PMC Bank is formed in 1984, headquarters in Mumbai. So PMC Bank 1984, headquarters in Mumbai. The next question, name the Zambian politician who served as the first president of Zambia who recently passed away. So name the Zambian politician, the first president of Zambia who recently passed away. Answer is Kenneth Kaunda. So Kenneth Kaunda is the president who recently passed away. He is also famously called the KK. He served the president of Zambia for nearly 27 years and he played a vital role in Mozambique independence talks, Zimbabwe, Namibia, all these countries independence. So Zambia got independence from Britain in 1964 and from 1964 till 1991 he is the president, longest serving president of Zambia. So Zambia capital Lusaka and Zambian currency is Zambian Kachwa. Okay, Kaucha. So please remember those, Zambian capital Lusaka and Zambian currency Zambian Kaucha. So please by heart them also. So next question, what is the theme of 2021 Land for Life Award? We already discussed. What is the theme of 2021 Land for Life Award, which is given by United Nations Convention to combat desertification and drought? So answer is Healthy Land, Healthy Lives. We already discussed that. The theme for 2021 award is Healthy Land, Healthy Lives. Healthy Land, Healthy Lives. So the last question for today, CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, celebrates National Reading Day on. So National Reading Day is observed on same 19th June. National Reading Day is observed on 19th June. So this day is observed to honor P.N. Panikkar, the father of library movement in Kerala. So this day is observing the P.N. Panikkar, celebrating to honor P.M. Panikkar, the father of library movement in Kerala. So the following week from 19 June, the following will be called the Reading Week. Until July 18th, it is called the Reading Month. Okay. So these are details about the National Reading Day. So these are all the MCQs for today. So if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And you can find this PDF in our Telegram channel. So go and join the Telegram channel. So we'll meet in the next class. Until then, take care.